Let's fix any Instagram messaging problems. Now, if you're trying to send a message to somebody and it's not updating, you're not getting the message, or it's just not working for whatever reason, I'm going to show you some steps to get it working. The very first thing that we can do is hop into Instagram, and we're going to tap on our profile at the bottom right. Now, the 3 lines at the top right, and we will choose settings here. Now, I'm going to choose account towards the bottom. And if I scroll down, I'm going to switch to a professional account. A lot of times, the messaging features, the functionality are a lot more robust on the professional account. And a lot of times, switching over to that specific professional account will fix any kind of messaging problems you might have. So I'm going to hit that and just go through these steps. It doesn't really matter what you choose here. And I'm going to hit creator and next. And maybe I need to go business. And then don't use contact info and not now. So by going through these steps, I created a professional account. And if I now go home and tap the messages icon, it should be fixed. All the messages should be here and updating. If I swipe down, they should all basically be working. Now, if they're still not working, potentially there's a bug or a glitch in the Instagram app itself. So to fix that, let's hop out of here and go into our settings. Let's go back and we'll go to general and then iPhone storage. On the iPhone, you can offload apps. On Android, you just want to clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall the app. So we'll just wait for this to load up with the Instagram app here. There it is. And we'll just offload this app. A lot of times this fixes any kind of messaging problems that you might have by just updating the Instagram app, reinstalling a fresh new version of it. And by doing so, you can just open it back up and hopefully all of those messaging problems will be fixed. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.